Hi there, my name is David Lord. I am the Motability Specialist at RRG Peugeot up in Oldham. So welcome to Peugeot RRG in Oldham. Come inside and I'll show you around. So this is my desk. When you first walk in the dealership, come in through the door, I'm the first desk. If I'm not around, then there is my colleague Julie Hadfield that sits right behind me, just there. We have also got some private offices if you'd feel more comfortable having a chat and a discussion just in private. So this is one of our private consultation rooms. As I said, we can have a chat in here in private if you'd feel more comfortable as well. So we've got service area here with comfortable seats. We've also got refreshments for when you come, tea, coffee, water, hot chocolate, that type of thing. So your comfort is our priority at RRG Peugeot in Oldham. And hopefully we'll be able to help you out with your new Motability car. So what I'll do now is show you the current Peugeot range on Motability. Starting off with the 208, it came out in 2020 and it did win What Car of the Year. Next is the 2008, again released in 2020. Some of these are on nil advance deposit as well currently. Really nice spacious car. You get a little bit more height than you do the 208. And a really popular car with our Motability customers. The next car we've got is the 3008, so your slightly bigger car that we've got, and next to that is the 308. This one's the station wagon estate, but we also do the hatchback version in this car as well. So they're the four cars that we've currently got on the Motability with Peugeot. So that's our little tour of Peugeot in Oldham, RRG. I'm your dedicated Motability Specialist. My name's David Lord. If for any reason you can't get hold of me, I've got a colleague, Julie, that'll no doubt help you out. But please come down and see us. We can show you the cars, talk about the Motability scheme, and if you want test drives or whatever. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you.